What's going on, guys? It's Preston. Today I got 1 minute. I'm going to show you how to get free articles online. Everyone else doing this is dragging you through a 5-minute story. That's why I'm spending the first 15 seconds bullshitting, just to show you how fast and easy this actually is. So let's say you're online in the New England Journal of Medicine looking at psychosis and you want to read this article. I have ADHD and I'm on a stimulant. What's my odds of getting psychosis? So I try to download the PDF, pings me to the next page. As usual, I want to continue reading this article. I have to pay, I have to subscribe, spend $60 or something or whatnot. Well, all you have to do, highlight the DOI over here in the corner, start after the colon, copy it, go to Sci-Hub, paste the DOI in, boom, you got the article. All right, you can do the same thing with the title. Just do this every time and you're home free.